Here we are in our garden. It's currently under renovation, but that doesn't mean that we stop testing products, because the moment I finish this over here, we'll be testing a new robot mower. And this time it's from MOVA, because I think they've seen, maybe by satellite or something, that I'm renovating the garden, but they already thought, let's send me the latest flagship model, the MOVA LiDAX Ultra. Let me just put it back because it's a bit heavy. Hey, it's me, Martijn. I test gadgets that have a battery and are smart, so you don't waste your money or time. And today we're gonna test the new MOVA LiDAX Ultra, a robotic mower with 3D LiDAR and AI mapping. And in the spring, when the whole garden is renovated, we have a nice piece of grass over there, I will do a full performance review. Until then, subscribe and let's go inside, because it's cold, windy, and it will rain soon as well, because we're in Holland, so let's get started. Alright, let's open it up. This is the MOVA LiDAX Ultra 1200, suitable for lawns up to 1200 square meters. Don't worry, there are models for bigger lawns too. Now, the packaging feels premium, a good indication that the product itself will be too. Inside the box you get, of course, the LiDAX Ultra mower itself. 8 stakes and a hex key. Quick start guide. A charging station. Cleaning brush. 9 spare blades plus screws. Power supply. A screwdriver. A lint-free cloth. And a full user manual. So everything that you need to get started immediately. Now here's what's important. There's no boundary wires. No RTK antennas. And also no external GPS station. That already makes installation much easier compared to other and older robotic mowers. Alright, let's have a closer look at the design, because it kind of reminds me of something. If you've watched my channel before, you might think of the Dreamy A2 that I reviewed, because this looks very similar. The same LiDAR on top, the same floating cutting system, and the same premium finish. That's not necessarily bad, because the Dreamy A2 was impressive, but I believe it's something you should know. Here's where the mower really stands out, because it uses UltraView 2.0, which combines 360-degree 3D LiDAR, AI Vision, and real-time environment sensing. So the LiDAR system continuously scans its surroundings in all directions, and then it builds a highly detailed 3D understanding of the garden. Now, unlike some traditional GPS-based systems, this doesn't rely on satellite signals, and therefore it can go near walls, under trees, or past narrow passages. In real time, it processes distance, depth, and object shape, allowing centimeter-level navigation accuracy, a huge technical step. So instead of you burying a boundary wire around your entire garden, you just simply turn it on. That's a big deal, because installation used to be one of the most annoying things with robotic mowers. Now there's one thing that I immediately noticed. This device or gadget or robotic mower is smart. So for example, you can set in the app the cutting height from 3 to 10 centimeters. But there's more, because the cutting disc isn't just adjustable in height. The disc also slides outwards, meaning it cuts very close to the edges. This is MOVA's UltraTrim system. It can mow within 5 centimeters of walls and fences. So imagine I put some grass over there, and then if you have some lawn edges like this, it even rides along them according to MOVA. That means less trimming for you. And honestly, that's for me one of the most annoying parts of lawn maintenance. But we'll have to test that later in the full review. The same counts for example, the AI obstacle avoidance, or how everything works in the app, or the cutting results, or how it cuts next to the edges. That's something for later. Let's go over the key specs right now, because then you'll have a good overview of this gadget, toy, robotic mower. This is the 1200 meter version, but there are also other models available for smaller and bigger gardens. But let me quickly go over the specs. It's a rear wheel drive, handles slopes up to 45 degrees, drives over obstacles of up to 4 centimeters, passes narrow paths of 60 centimeters, a cutting width of 20 centimeters, mows for 60 to 80 minutes per charge, and it needs 60 minutes recharging time. and only produces 57 decibels of noise. What I can see in the MOVAhome app is that you can control literally everything. For example, you can set mowing schedules, create zones, manage 2 separate maps, define no-go areas, adjust the cutting height, and choose mowing patterns. There's even something called TrueGuard that includes live video feed, auto patrol mode, human detection alerts, 4G anti-theft tracking. Now I'll test all of those features, especially the security features, because that's something I haven't seen in any other robotic mower in the full review, so make sure you subscribe to the channel. For now, let's leave it at this. I'm gonna go back outside and finish my work as fast as possible because I still need to put grass, fences, plants and some woodwork. Once all of that is ready, we'll test. Obstacle avoidance, of course, the cutting results, edge cutting, slope performance, mapping precision, and a lot of other stuff. So if you want to see that, give the video a like and don't forget to subscribe because we've reached the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. It gives you a very good first impression and unboxing experience of the MOVA LiDAR Ultra. Anyways, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. I'll put a video over here for you to watch. See you over there.